managed to catch the scared dog from the village Valira. He has got, as you can see, a very tight plastic necking from a bottle or a jar, we don't know. The dog had to be caught because it's really tight. You can't get it off. So it's just in the nick of time that we managed to get her, actually, she's a little girl from the village Valira. So we're going to try to cut it off. She's full of ticks. No, this is really, really hard. I don't think I will be able to cut it. It's really hard, Patrick. You have to help me. Let's see if Patrick can do it, because I can't. I don't know if we can get it off, or we need to get something sharper.
Πρέπει να φέρω μαχαίρι.
Let's see if Patrick can get it cut by knife. I'm sure this must be very uncomfortable for the dog because it's very tight and it's made out of very hard plastic. He was found in Valira near the Gypsy area, so we don't know whether he accidentally got into it because he was looking for food or whether somebody put it on him. That's difficult, we will never know. The thing is that the dog was very, very scared, and of course he wouldn't go near anybody. We did finally manage to get him. We're trying to get this uncomfortable thing off his neck. As you can see, he's not resisting, he's actually feeling relieved. Oh, that's it. That's it, yeah. It's all the way around, yeah. So we're going to get it off. Ooh. That was what was around him, yeah. Okay, so finally she is relieved.
Έχει ticks.
She's full of ticks, yeah. She's got a lot of ticks, yeah.
Ωραία.
Okay, we will update you on this little beauty. Thank you.